So come work with me today. This is my face before I knew what the hell I was walking into. What in the hell is going on here? What? I'm sick of this number. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 out there. This some bullshit. So I just come here to check and see if I got any space to put any of that extra stuff. And of course I don't. Well, I gotta still go make it happen. So let's get on this. So I am a full-time content creator and a grandmother of 2, and I have 3 kids. Well, I'm here, guys. I just want to take this time while I work to tell y'all a little bit more about content creation. I love it. Like I said, you guys, if you're looking to get into this, you definitely should give it a try. I got all my family, like my daughters, into it. My one daughter, she has over probably 70K followers on Instagram, 30K on TikTok, but she's a person that posts every day. I'm trying to get like my daughter, like her, and she make money. She makes a lot of money on Instagram. She makes money outside of Instagram too because of her following, but she posts every day. So I'm trying to get into that. So I want to vlog my day today as I am working. This day was hectic. I wanted to try to get through this day because it was a lot. I am the alcohol manager in my department. I'm the only person in my department, so I'm not over anybody. I just have to do the ordering, the stocking, and any back stock and all of that. So I'm the person that orders the alcohol, puts it out. I do everything over there, and I'm the only one over there. So if I don't come to work, it's a done deal. And unfortunately for me, I was off yesterday. So when I came back, all that stuff was backed up, and I'm thinking like sometime like y'all want to help me out a little bit. Well, they didn't. I'm like, goodness. And guys, on top of my side hustles and driving jobs, I do have a full-time job. I had to get one because benefits and everything like that. This is a good job, but I do content on top of working. I run my YouTube. Now I'm getting into my Facebook bag, and I do the TikTok. I try to post every day on each social media, not on YouTube. I'm at least trying to. I'm trying to be more strategic on here on YouTube, because I was posting every day, but the views wasn't that high. So once I got more like a strategy, I'm trying to do 2 long forms a week, and then I'll drop like a couple shorts during the week. But so more than like 4 videos. I found that my AdSense has went up since I've been doing it this way.
Just trying to get a game plan with it. Yeah. It's a lot.
Did you want one out here, or do you want us to go from the back?
I'm gonna just go from the back. Okay. So I won't have to come with all that out here.
That was my manager. So all of them was checking on me because they know that Miss went right. One guy, so yeah, today has been 1 month that I've been there. So this one guy, he had been watching me and I didn't even know it. He was like, man, on your second day, I saw they had gave you like 5 pallets. I was like, man, this girl finna be out of here. I was like, nah, not that easy. Not that easy. This is just a short video to show you can still content create and work a full-time job and do full-time content.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to Life by Sharon B and follow me everywhere at Sharon B. See you in the next video.